off-site, at length, at full scale. So we were comfortable when we actually got there, installing in the time we had allotted. This was about 3 weeks. What you're looking at is about 3 weeks of installation. It's about 20 to 25 people working pretty much full time. And we set up a camera essentially on this kind of cable, which as you turns the corner, you'll see a kind of cable appear right there, right through the center. And the camera is moving across it, and it's panning, and it's taking a photograph every 2 minutes. And this really became a kind of a way to document the process for us, which is extremely important, and also what ended up becoming a kind of very beautiful substructure, which we didn't really fully anticipate. Everything was eventually clad in this fabric, but underneath were these kind of massive hoop skirts, if you will, which we ended up pleating and folding fabric around. And I should say also the thinking in this project was when we first designed this and we had these geometries which were all different, we realized very quickly that we'd have to pattern the fabric uniquely for each geometry. And that to us is sort of less interesting. It becomes very wasteful very quickly, very expensive. So what we ended up doing was trying to think about a way to do this with bolts of fabric where we can take them just as they come off the sheet as meter-long bolts, and then fold and pleat them in a way and pin them so that they can actually create the same geometries, but to do it in a way which doesn't rely on everything being unique. It's more about an efficient and perhaps more intelligent way of actually implementing this. So this is the space when it's done. You can see on the bottom these are benches and tables that are built out of the solid surfacing.